Yep, that's right. You should never just hang on the arm of a couch like that because you could fall backwards and bump your head. But how you feeling?
Oh, and guys, I'm scratching my hand. You can. It's kind of hard to scratch my hand.
Oh, all right now.
And when I was doing Claudio, I just bumped my head.
Yeah, okay. All right, so that's good. So. Channel Khori and Kai's Playhouse, and we have Kai Bell.
Hi!
And we have Khori Girl.
Hi!
And today we're gonna be making ELMERS Slime All-Star Pack. And if you haven't seen our last video, you wanna make sure you go check that out because our last slime video was a banger. So go check that out and make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna get right to it. You guys excited about it? You guys excited?
Yeah!
Ready to make more slime? All right, let's do it. What kind of slime do we have? Let me check that out. What's that? Some classic glitter glue. That's gonna look good. And then we have the cherry limeade scent slime activator. All right, then we have the glow in the dark. And then we have the confetti slime activator for Khori Girl. And then Kai Bell's gonna go ahead and pour it in the bowl. Then we're gonna go ahead and pour these in the bowl and get it all mixed up. And we're gonna get this slime going. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour all your glue into the bowl. And then we're gonna pour the activator in the bowl. And then we're gonna mix it up. So Kai Bell's gonna get everything going. And then Khori's Girl getting everything going. So anybody need any help?
I need some help.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and help you guys out and get right back to it after we get everything mixed up. You guys excited?
Yeah!
All right, I can't wait. Let's go.
Me either. That's enough, right? 2 amount.
You go ahead and pour the whole thing in. Magical liquid cherry limeade scent activator. I can't wait to get that a smell. So we're trying to get this last little bit of glitter glue, the glow in the dark glue out of there. And if you haven't seen our glow in the dark glue, our glow in the dark slime video, make sure you go check that out as well. And thank you to everybody that has subscribed, guys. We're up to 122 subscribers. That's a lot of fun. What do you guys think about that? Look at that, 122 subscribers. Make sure you go check out our last video. We was hanging out at Walmart, and that was pretty fun. You guys have fun hanging out at Walmart?
Yeah.
They should go watch that video?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so we ran out of the glow-in-the-dark glue, so we decided to mix it with a little cosmic glue, so that's still gonna be cool. You excited about that, Khori?
Yes!
Yeah, we're gonna see how that come up. And we got Khori Girl, she got all her glue in the bowl, and we're just holding it. Yeah, Kai Bell, that's what I said.
You said Khori Girl.
All right, so now Khori is putting her confetti scent, which is an activator. So we have our glue, and then we have our activator. And then Kai Bell is putting her cherry limeade scented activator. Oh my goodness. All right, Khori Girl, go ahead and mix yours up. Oh, mix it, mix it, mix it. And that's the confetti activator in Khori Girl's. And then in Kai Bell's, she's giving hers a good stir. Look at that, it's getting all activated.
You can smell the cherry limeade.
Yep. The cherry limeade scent and Kai Bears. She's trying to get every last drop out of that bad boy. It smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. You smell it, Khori?
It smells good. It smells like I'm trying to get it out now.
No, I think we're gonna help you stir it up a little bit better.
Let me hold. I wish I could eat this slime. It smells so good.
All right, thanks, Mom. Appreciate it.
Oh my god. Can I take it out?
Yeah, go ahead and mix it up. Finish mixing it up. Because you gotta make sure it's all combined.
Combine. Finish mixing it up.
All right, so we got Mama coming in and helping us finish up the slime. And we got Kai Bear slime looking good. How you feel about that Elmer slime?
Good.
Yeah, you having a good time with it?
Yeah. Oh, and guys, make sure you comment to watch our unicorn birthday.
All right, yep. Make sure you comment down below and go check out our unicorn birthday video. That was amazing. We had a unicorn cake and we had all our family and friends out there. And we had an excellent time, so make sure you go check out that video.
Alien.
Thanks, Mom, again for helping out. Shout out to Mom.
Alien. Oh, and guys, you can check on my bracelets that I put in the slime.
Yeah, we got Kai Bear taking off her bracelet.
So it don't get sticky.
And we got Khori Girl with her cosmic slime. And we got Kai Bear. Look at that.
Guys, you can check out it. Mine is with some sprinkles and it smells good. Smell it, guys.
It does smell good.
It smells.
Oh, it pops? Let me hear it. Oh, yeah, you're right, it does.
Oh, it could be gold. See if I can make see if I can make like a eye. See if I can stretch it out. Stretching out.
That looks like a pretty cool slime right there. So should everybody else go and get Elmer slime?
Yes. Can't forget about the other piece of the nose. My nose.
What are you making, Khori Girl?
You'll see what I'm doing. Let's take all the other guys.
What do you make?
Sprinkles. I make the happy face.
Happy
I
face
make-
with your slime?
Yes, and it got some sprinkles.
Oh, yeah. So you hold it up. See if you can get it up. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, I see it though. I see the smiley face. See if you guys can check that out. Smiley face. Eyes and the nose. Alright, so that's pretty cool right there.
Our slime is the best.
Alright, so it came with a bonus slime, the fruity slushy slime, so we just opened that one up. And Khori girl
Hi,
is on it.
sorry.
And it's super stretchy, and Kai Bear is playing with it as well. So now we got 3 different slimes going.
I'm gonna get all
And this was the bonus slime. It already came mixed up. And it smells good and it feels good.
Daddy,
And it's
feel
fruity
it.
slushy.
It's really bald and clawed. Bald and you can feel it. Feel that like that. Balls inside.
Yeah, it does. That was a good texture.